the W coin airdrop just made a few huge updates which we need to act on very fast. Of course, it is about the listing, and I'm going to share everything in this video. So anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inoko Kidire, and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, as we know already, WCoin has been faltering and faltering concerning the listing season. In fact, they have not even managed to do a TGE, which has been very, very disappointing. Apparently, they claimed it was based on the very harsh cryptocurrency market conditions. Now, they brought about a few news a few weeks back that the market has stabilized and listing will be coming very soon. But finally, they brought out a task which we need to act on and do very, very fast because it is related to listing. And of course, it is the BitGet task. Now, I've not made any video purposely on the WCoin saga because they had been postponing the listing and postponing it. And I've been waiting for that perfect moment to share something with you guys. So I'm just going to do that in this video. So let's get right into it. Now, I think the last video we made about WCoin on this channel was about the NFT pre-market thingy on getgems.io. And since then, we've been waiting for the listing. That's been a very, very long time. But I think thankfully, we have some news right now. Now, as you guys can see my screen, they did a campaign with nothing. They said this was going to be the last campaign before the listing. And hopefully, I think that was the last one. The current one is just with BitGet, which is an official partner of the WCoin airdrop. So you already know, guys, WCoin is going to be listed on BitGet. So if you do not have any BitGet account, I think you have to be creating one right away. Now, this was the news they said about the listing update, market instability. They've postponed it, but they said a few things which we've not seen so far. They mentioned the smart contract is fully prepared for deployment. That could be all right. The airdrop mechanism is set, also all right. Partners are lined up. I believe that. They said NFTs will be distributed within the next few days. And this was February 24. And we are currently on about March 20 or almost March 24. That's almost the month later. And we have not seen anything concerning NFTs. But then, WCoin listing update, they said the market was fully stabilized and then listing will be coming soon. But they said on again, WCoin will cook. We believe, we hope WCoin will cook, but we need to be seeing some things. I think there needs to be transparency and a little bit of more communication. That is one huge problem Telegram airdrops are having currently. They need to start having Discord channels, or at least even on the Telegram page itself, communicating with the community every now and then, because community needs to be clear. We need to be having updates. We need to know what's going on. We've stopped mining WCoin for almost 2 months now, but currently nothing on TGE and nothing on the listing as well. So that's a really sad part on WCoin's part. But I also believe WCoin will cook, and I think I'm going to even use this as my thumbnail. WCoin will cook. Do this now. But anyways, we have pre-listing reward. I mean, most of you got some keys, and most of you also got 1 million WCoin in your WCoin app. So this was something that they did a couple of weeks ago. But then finally, which is why I made this video, is the new task alert concerning BitGet. So we have to follow BitGet on X. This was their final task. And they're saying, we've launched the new task category pre-listing. Completion of this task is now mandatory for airdrop eligibility. So if you've done everything, spent loads of money, done everything, and you're not online to do this task, means you will not be eligible for the airdrop. I mean, this is really insane. But anyways, do not miss out. Check the task section and stay in the game. So we're going to go right into it. Only 776k people have seen this, which is really, really minute concerning the whole huge numbers of, let's say, 12 million subscribers. Apparently, they made mention of 40 million players, and this is very little. So lots of people have not seen this yet, and it's been out there for a couple of days. But now we're going into the app. I'm just going to show you guys where the task is and what to do ASAP. So of course, you guys can see this is my screen. I'm still managing to mine. Do not forget about your WAI. Keep claiming it every 8 hours, because this could also be very important for the airdrop. I mean, some people have whole lots more of WAI, but currently I'm on 298k. Balance is currently 513, and then W Galaxy is on, W Treasures is on. We got 200 keys, I think, free keys, so we can just use that to open the Cosmic. 1 second, let's use it to open the Cosmic. And if you guys remember, opening all of these things, some of them you might not be able to redeem everything because you might have a lot. But apparently they said all of this will be converted into W coin on the token generation event time. Now, if I may, I want to compare Seed's airdrop and W coin airdrop. Now, Seed airdrop is going to be listing very soon. I think at the end of the month. I'm going to make a video about that very soon, also getting some few things, but that's for later. Now, they did the TGE already a long time ago, and now the listing is coming. I think that's the least we should have expected from WCoin, at least. Do the TGE so we stop mining, okay? Because now people are still going to be mining aimlessly. And for example, I keep logging into the app every day now and then to just keep doing all of these things, even though there is no news. So it is really crazy. The uncertainty is killing, which is not really good for any project. The community has to be clear. Either you stop mining and tell us the TGE is on, generate the token, let's claim our tokens, and then we can always wait for the listing. It's not a problem at all. But anyways, they've what's the word? They've kept our mouth shut with 200 keys and 1 million W coins, so we cannot say anything. But anyways, I just finished using all my treasures. You guys could see I'm now 546 million W coin balance. And then if you come all the way to boost, you can see battery is 2170, lucky dice is 2246. Apparently this will be converted into W coin on the listing day. But then going to the tasks, I know some of you will complain, why didn't I just go straight to the point? I will put the compartment, the timestamps, so you can go straight to the point. I had to say all of those. And now coming back all the way to the home screen, you can see this is the dashboard over here on the bottom. Mates, task, gifts. Gifts is where you have your vouchers. The vouchers are trading really low currently. You have your WAI, you have your boost, you have tasks. Task is where we need to come to. And then you guys can see nothing. I completed all of the nothing one, but then I couldn't do this last one. YouTube completed all of the YouTube tasks. Now, pre-listing is the one that we had to do. Play Burger Blast, you have to click that, play it, and come back and claim your rewards. Do the pre-listing reward, and then finally follow BitGet to get W coin. So these are the few things you need to do. There is no financial requirements in all of this pre-listing mandatory task. No financial complications at all. Just do it for free and make sure you complete it. Then there's also the active ones. There's still loads of tasks to be done, and there are the completed ones. So come all the way to pre-listing, complete this task, and apparently you are now eligible. I mean, with adding the other things that are required for eligibility. So I hope I've made a few things clear about the airdrop. We're hoping W coin will cook, and I'm a little bit positive that it may cook, but you know, when there's no communication, when things are uncertain, everything is just looking gloom and gloom. So that's what I have for you guys currently on the W coin airdrop. When there is any updates concerning listing or TGE, I will be making the video right away. Make sure you smash that like, hit that subscribe bell, and also hit that notification bell so you can get the updates immediately I post them. So have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Peace.